Hi, my friends. My friend Wolf from Germany asked me about these three parts associated with my tutorial number 295. Here is his message. Hello, Professor. I have problems with the components 8, 9 and 19. Could you have the injectors individual part drawings provide? Thank you. You remember my tutorial number 295 with these drawings made by Timoteo Carrera Soto, an assembly of an injector with its components. This, and this. The components 8, 9 and 19 are here. I modeled them and I made their drawings. To the end of this tutorial, I'll present that three parts to you. This is the part 08. You see how it looks and you see its drawing. There are dimensions. I added this dimension and this dimension and this one and the dimension of radius 3 because they were not present in the original drawing. Next is the part number 9, which has this aspect with this drawing. Here I placed this dimension radius 5 only as an additional dimension to understand the drawings and to help you to make models. You see, each one has the volume so that you can compare with your results. The part number 19 is this one. You have to model this by using my drawings or Timoteo's drawings. Here I place this dimension of 19, which was missing from the original drawing. The other are in the original drawing and everything can be understood. That's all. I wish you good luck and that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.